Hello everyone, it's Mike, and today we're talking about why AI sometimes gets things wrong. And I'll walk you through it slowly so you can follow along. One of the most common things I hear is AI gave me a confident answer, but it was wrong. That can feel frustrating or even a little unsettling. The important thing to know is this: AI getting things wrong is normal. AI doesn't actually know facts the way people do. It doesn't understand truth, meaning, or intention. What it does understand is recognizing patterns in language and predicts what a helpful answer should sound like. Most of the time, that prediction sounds correct until it isn't. AI is designed to be helpful, not cautious. So, when it doesn't have enough information, it doesn't always stop to ask. Instead, it fills in the gaps with something that sounds reasonable. That confidence can be misleading, especially if you assume it's double checking itself. Here are the most common reasons. First, can you explain this to me? Without context, AI has to guess what this means. Second, outdated or incomplete information. AI doesn't always have access to the latest updates or real-time changes. Third, ambiguous questions. If a question could mean more than one thing, AI will pick one, even if it's not the one you intended. Now, none of this means AI is broken. It means AI works best as a thinking partner and not an authority. AI is very good at explaining, organizing, rewriting, and brainstorming. But it still needs you to guide it. Here's the habit that fixes most problems. When something looks wrong, don't start over. Just say something like this: that doesn't look right. Can you double check and explain your reasoning? That one sentence often clears things up immediately. If AI ever gives you a wrong answer, it's not because you failed. It's usually because it needed more clarity or more context or a follow-up of some sort. Once you expect that, AI becomes much more useful and much less frustrating. And that's it. Thank you for joining me today on Fatherly AI. If this felt easier than you expected, well, that's the point. And if this video helped, take a second to like it or subscribe to the channel. I post simple, practical AI walkthroughs just like this for everyday life.